Just 5 more minutes.
Who's really stopping you?
In a world full of constant noise, staying focused is your superpower. Choose focus. Let us take it one task at a time. Focus on just one thing, then turn the page. Very satisfying.
Every day starts with a simple choice: to keep pushing forward regardless of the pace. When the world sleeps, the work continues. Because in the end, consistency wins.
Forget about finding motivation every day. Simple discipline is what truly gets things done. Set up your space and keep moving forward.
When you focus on small daily wins, every single day becomes a success. Stop making excuses. Start making progress.
I was completely buried in excuses, but then I made a plan and finally found my success.